Hi, ADN Lab 331 students. This is Megan McDaniel, and I'm going to do a quick video on a pilot tool that we're going to be using this semester. I apologize for the late notice on this. This is something that we have just been given notification that we need to collect from you all. So as the screen says here, as part of the pilot program or as part of a pilot program this fall, all students in ED and Lab 331 are required to complete an assessment of professional education dispositions form. So I'm going to give you down at the bottom of this, there's going to be a place where you can click on the PDF form and you're going to complete that there. Once you complete the tool, you're going to email it back to either myself, Miss McDaniel, or Miss Tucker, depending on who your instructor is. This must be complete and emailed back to us by next Friday, November 15th. So when you click on the PDF of the tool, it's going to come up and it's going to look like this. I'm going to remind you of a couple of things. Number one, this is a pilot. This is the first time we're using this. Number two, this does not affect your grade at all for the course. We're just testing this out to see how it's going to work. So do not worry too much about this. Don't stress too much about it. I just want you to read it and do your best filling it out. And again, have it back to us by next Friday, November 15th. So you're going to complete a self-assessment using this PDF. Once you complete this, you're going to email it again to myself, Miss McDaniel, or Miss Tucker. So you're just going to fill it out. At the top, you're going to put your name, candidate, your 850 number, your program, course is EDN Lab 331, and then you are the evaluator, and then date it when you do it. So just reading all of these, and I will tell you that you are probably not going to be up here in this exceeding the expectation, and that's okay. You are probably going to be somewhere in the either meeting the expectation, maybe needing improvement, and some of them are even ones that maybe is not even happening within your field experience right now. Again, this is a pilot program. Just do your best completing this. This will not affect your grade in any way. So what you're going to do is just go over here and give yourself a rating, either a 0, 1, 2, or 3. Some of them do not give you the 0 as an option. It's either just a 1, 2, or 3. If it's easier for you to complete this electronically, you can do that, or you can highlight these or circle these, whatever is easier for you. We just need a copy of your ratings. You're going to continue going down on this, and you do not, when it gives you this overall rating category here, you do not need to fill this out. This is for us. We go through a training for this that we'll be able to fill out that part for you. You do not have to fill in the comments here that it's asking for. Really, all you're going to do is just continue going down and looking at each section and each area under these, and you're going to just give yourself a rating. Again, either circling, highlighting that, whatever's easier for you as you continue to read down this. We will fill out again the overall rating. There is no need for comments. Just continue moving down the tool. Talks about collaboration, ethics. Again, just do your best filling this out. And when you get down here, to the bottom, you do not need to fill out any of these goals or anything down here. We do not need signatures on this. The only thing you need to do, again, is just to fill in those ratings categories and let us know if you have any questions. Just a reminder, again, this is part of a pilot. It's not going to affect your grade. We're just trying to see how this tool is going to work for us moving forward. Thank you so much for sending this to myself or Miss Tucker. Please let us know if you have questions. Bye-bye.